I would like to state it categorically clear in support to the president's idea that Balaalo must go.
The Balaalo groups chose one woman to front them on the media. One of the most notable statements issued by the lady includes promising a genocide. The lady said, this will lead to genocide. And she repeated that it will.
This will bring genocide. It will. This must stop.
So this has received reactions from people like Batoro, who has been on the front line of the Balaalo massacre, and as well Gilbert Olanya recently made a statement on this.
On this note, the Balaalo should come up very clearly and explain to the people of northern Uganda. Failure to do that, I call upon my people of northern Uganda. This is the time which is very crucial.
But now, is this what is right? Can see the magnitude of the destructions? For the issue of the crops, you can see for yourself how the animals have been destroying the crops.
They must all go, and I give them 3 weeks to leave. And they should not go to invade other areas of Uganda. They should go either sell their cows and get money and settle, because they have already got free money.
That is just a drop in water. There's been a lot of things. There's been a lot of complaint, which we have been talking about coming in from the community. Community have been talking about destruction of water pathways, the wells, blockage of access roads, and so on.